Do you ever feel like the only time you get recognized at work is when you make a mistake? But when you do something great, it rarely gets noticed? If so, you may have a gratitude gap in your organization. A gratitude gap is the difference in the level of appreciation that employees want versus what they believe they get. And yes, I said believe because their perception is their reality. And if you want to create a workplace culture that rocks, we need to close that gap. Now you might be saying, but Lisa, isn't a decent salary enough? I mean, I'm thanking my employees with every paycheck. Yes, competitive compensation is important, but it's not the be-all end-all that we believe it to be. Money does the talking, but it doesn't necessarily keep your employees from walking. When you get the culture right, you don't have to be the highest paying employer in the area. By having a gratitude strategy, or as I like to call it, your Grategy, that puts you miles ahead of the competition. Implementing a Grategy takes authentic commitment by leadership. It's these small gestures that have a big impact. What if you got to know your employees? You engaged with them, listened to their input, and let them know that their work matters. What if you invested in their personal and professional development? Do you think that these things would build stronger respect, trust, and create a stronger bond? Yes, because when employees feel valued, they're much less likely to leave. But wait, there's more. Don't forget to acknowledge excellence, because when you catch your employees in the act of doing things well, the chances are good they're going to do even more excellent work. The pandemic changed a lot of things for just about all of us. It changed employees' expectations because they have more choices as far as how, when, and where they work. It's not about outbidding the competition. It's about outcaring them. It's not about filling jobs. It's about creating fulfilling work. When you have a Grategy, that, my friends, is how you keep your top talent from becoming someone else's.